from 1944 in the Soviet Union.
These are all the inaccuracies in the sound of Stalin from the show Hysteria.
It's Joseph Stalin!
Greetings. You know,
Okay, so the dates on here, Joseph Stalin became the dictator in 1924 after Vladimir Lenin died.
life of brutal dictator isn't always sunshine and lollipopsky. Sometimes it's lonely job. But when I'm feeling cranky and a little blue, I sit around and consider the many things which make me happy.
Creating terror with government purges, acting out all of his monstrous urges. Big Brother plots that would make Orwell blush.
Actually, that was what Orwell was against in the book, 1984.
These are the things that sure give me a rush.
Spying on Lenin and
Lenin actually died by the time Stalin came to power. Like, look, he died when Stalin came into power.
spying on Lenin and murdering Trotsky, vexing the West with his communist plotsky, turning your dreams into scary nightmares.
That is the way I forget all my cares.
When the Germans head for Moscow and the weather's vile,
I simply look on as they all freeze to death, and that really makes me smile.
It would be over-exaggerated to say Stalin just watched. He did lock himself up for 2 days after he was shaken by the German declaration of war. Also, the Russian weather was not the sole factor in the failure of Operation Barbarossa. The other factors include the speed that the USSR can put out new troops reserves.
feasting like Ivan while serfs live on rations.
Okay, first of all, that's not how you pronounce the word rations. And second of all, Tsar Alexander II abolished serfs in, I forgot what year, but he abolished it. And in the USSR, there was also no serfs.
Covering dozens of satellite nations,
Starting my own personality cult.
doing away with those who might revolt, sending your critics to rot in Siberia. That's how you get populations to fear ya, building a wall down the streets of Berlin.
Stalin actually died 7 years before Nikita Khrushchev built the Berlin Wall.
This kind of thing makes me flash quite a grin.
If the people call for freedom or democracy,
I'll simply bump off everybody until there's nobody left but me.
Alright, please like and subscribe.